Good afternoon, YouTube. So here's the driver's side door on my Toyota 4Runner, and I've been having a problem with a rattle inside the door, and I knew I had to take off this door panel to get to it, but I wasn't quite sure what I was looking for. And when I got home today, I shut the door and something dropped. So it was this little bolt that fell out, and I checked on the other side, and that bolt goes in here. So I bet what was wrong was this bolt was loose, and I think it's part of the window track. So yeah, you have to pull a screw out of that piece here, the latch. And there's two screws that go in here, as I recall. As I recall, everything else just pops out here. So I've got one of these door rivet tools. Just got to find all the little plastic rivets. Yes, that's one thing I added quite a few years ago, probably 10 years ago, a little LED festoon bulb for the side panels. And they throw out about as much light as the old incandescent bulb that was in there, but they use very little power, so if you accidentally leave a door open or leave your door ajar and that stays on, won't kill your battery. You pop that out. And yeah, so you have to get in. There's this sheet of plastic here. Okay, that's the piece. I found it down in the bottom of the door there. And I believe this end screws in with the screw on the side of the door. And then this is the bottom of the window track, because there's a piece of rubber channel that's just hanging up inside there. So I think I have to fit that rubber channel back in here. Yeah, to show you up inside here, that's the piece of the channel, and then it just goes around all the door latch mechanism there. I guess you got to get this channel in the slot and the little bracket, and then I think it slides in up in the top. There's a little slot that the end of that bracket goes into. Okay, I think I got this bolt in there, got the bracket lined up. But what I want to do here is make sure the window still works. Just want to make sure the window's in the track and everything. I think that's all pretty much there. Yeah, one thing I've done is I've rewired my power windows. You can roll the windows up and down without having the ignition key in there, which I find very helpful, but you know, if you have kids that like to play around, that might not be a very good thing to do. But I can put a link in my web page where I show how to do that. It just takes one little jumper wire. Okay, got the bolt in there, Loctite it in place. Yeah, there's not a lot of thread on that bolt. That's why it fell out, I guess. It got loose, and then once it backed out about one turn, it fell out. Right here is the part of the window mechanism. So you can see I'll run the window up and down. So I greased up those slides there. Seems to help the window move a lot easier. I checked all these similar bolts here. There's about a 1, 2, 3, I think there's 4 or 5 of these bolts. Checked and made sure they're all tight. I don't have anything else loose. Yeah, so that's what it was, that guy on the side. Get the door panel back on, and then I think we're good to go. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that little repair. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.